Good afternoon, friends. Today I'm going to talk about a product which has multi-purpose uh, facilities like you can charge a iPhone 5 or an iPhone 6 parallelly with the power source from the power bank. I'll show it to you. Okay. Now I'm trying to charge a Sony mobile. See, you can see it's getting charged. Okay. Now similarly, if you want to charge iPhone, you can see the buttons here. iPhone for iPhone 5s or 6, you can just put the above button and then you can connect it to the iPhone pin and charge the iPhone. Now this is the first purpose which we have described. Second purpose is the data transfer. This can be used as a uh, this you can inject it in the USB drive of the computer, and from the other end you can take a Sony or a Samsung mobile and then you can use it for data transferring files, file transferring files from the phone to computer and vice versa. And the same applies for iPhone. You can download or you can uh, transfer files to iTunes also. So this is a product which is very convenient and compact. It is mainly useful for people who are frequent in traveling, who don't need the hassle of taking their cables, because sometimes when you take the cables they get twisted and sometimes it might cost a different kind of uh, issue into it, due to which we have to replace it. So this is a very good product. It's a kind of Swiss design in it, Swiss knife design, where you can see how many we are having nearly totally about more than 30 pins in it, where you can use a universal Samsung or a Lenovo or a HTC type of mobile for charging, and all the iPhones, types of iPhone 5 and iPhone 4 and data transfer. So this is a very good product. I hope you will like it.